Hello, hi. In our last lecture, we have seen about the color harmonies, and in this lecture, we are going to understand what are the color gradients. Okay, so this is one of the tool which I use often, coolers.co. So this site has a lot of resources, so you can also use those. So in this site, if you click on more and if you go to create gradients, you will be able to create a gradient. Okay, so what is a gradient by the way? So if there is a smooth transition between one color to another color, then it is called as gradient. Okay, let me show you an example. Like if you see the explore gradients here, they've got a good resources here. So see, like if you there is a smooth transition right between this color to this color. So this is called as a gradient. So instead of using a plain color, you can use these colors to add certain naturality to your background. Okay, so how do you create these backgrounds? Okay, so if you go to this create gradient, whatever they have given, right? So here you can just add, I will just show you how to use this tool. Okay, you can just add this color here and you can select here and you can add another color. So if you want to add another color between these two, you can just click on that wherever you want to add, right? You can even drag this and then you can select a color, whatever you want to add. Okay, like this. And this gives a gradient. So you can mix any colors you want and create a gradient. But if you see here, right, we have mixed this red to blue and blue to green. But if you see here, there is a dark kind of a gray kind of shade in between, right? So if you mix colors randomly like this, you can get a chance that you will have a gray element here, and that doesn't look good. Okay, so if I even if I remove this, right, if I just mix the red to green, then you are getting a kind of gray shade in between, right? So that also doesn't look good. So how do you make sure the two colors are mixing well? Okay, so this is like trial and error method. By changing the sliders like this, then you will have to arrive upon certain color. Okay, so this is one way of doing it. Okay, so yeah, this looks something better, and this also I think has to vary. This is too bright and this is too like light, right? So yeah, maybe something like this you have to go for, right? So yeah, so like this you will have to alter and come up with the gradient, or else I have created a tool for this. Okay, so if you go to the website, the link could change. I'll give the latest link in the description. Okay, so if you go to this tool and color gradients, right? So I have created a tool wherein you can just give the hex code whatever you want, and then it will give the best possible gradients with the chosen color. Okay, so let me pick some color. Okay, so let me just go randomly to one color, maybe this one, and I'll just go back to the tool. I'll copy paste the code here and submit it. So if you come down, you would see the gradients, all possible gradients with that. Okay, so in this auto-generated gradients, you wouldn't see that gray color tone in between. So you can just, instead of doing all that trial and error and wasting time on that, you can just use this tool if you like. And then you can go ahead with any of these gradients, which looks good. Okay, so yeah, so that's what I wanted to cover in this lecture. Thank you.